Hey Gus, what's up, man? This is LL77 on this Monday morning. Gotta walk through the snow. Look at that. My foot disappeared. Oh, the snowplow just left. Where'd he go that way? There's my young one is doing the driveway. Ah, good job, good job. Holy shoot, I gotta do that. Clear the snow off. Holy smacks. That's wicked. Look at the snow. I seen it high as the roof of the house. The snow. 3 years ago. Really wicked, man. Yeah. Watch this. Okay. Oh, shoot. Woo. Oh, that's a lot of snow. Where's the brush? Where's the brush? I'll put the clearer on. Where's the brush? Oh, no monetization, that's right. That's the radio. Look at how dark it is from the snow. Woo! Yes! We have to do this because I gotta get my medication. I'm on methadone, that's why. It helped me get off of drugs 5 years now. But I'm coming off methadone. 5 milligrams. Holy swampers. We are the champions. Okay, I'm gonna put you in here for a minute while I do the front window. Hey guys, this is crazy. Look at that. All right, guys, I'm gonna send this to you. Much love. Thanks, madam. You're the best.